What's happening, y'all? This is Josh from Drive the Coast. It's a beautiful day in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, as well as at Drive the Coast. We're buying lots of classics. We got muscle cars over here. We got SUVs over here. Right now, we got a 1975 International Scout that just hit the showroom. Let's do a walk around video. Come with me while we do it. Obviously, 75. This is the second generation of the Scout. Four-wheel drive. It has a 345 V8 motor with power steering, as well as power disc brakes up front, drums in the rear for a Scout. These trucks have been moving super fast. Sold 4 of them last month, 68, 69, 73, and a 79. Orange one's right there, and it just sold. But as for the blue one, don't expect it to be here long as well. Got a nice set of bullet wheels there, running 33-inch tires. I'd say this is just a clean driver quality Scout. Runs and drives like it should. Looks great. It has a couple imperfections here and there. Comes with the hardtop, as you can see here. Full hardtop comes off. It's got a roll bar inside and keep you safe, as well as be able to support the bimini top that comes with it. Covers the front passengers. There is a swing away bumper here if you wanted to add a swing spare tire, which I believe we do have that. You got roof racks on the top. Add any kind of off-road accessories, jacks, a basket rack, whatever you want to add up top. But paint, trim, all in excellent condition. Windows roll up and down like they should. Looks like there's new weather stripping around the windows. Nice and soft there. You got a winch up front, as well as some additional spotlights if you're going off-roading at night. Hopping onto the inside, we got bucket seats. We got a locking center console there. Wood grain steering wheel. You got an aftermarket stereo with auxiliary 6-inch speakers there. You can see your 4x4 shifter on the right. Automatic 3-speed transmission there in the center. Wood grain on the dash, looks great. Got an auxiliary gauge here for the temp gauge. Lights work like they should, retractable seat belts. You got brand new seat covers. They etched in a really nice international patch, which I think is super cool. Back seat also matches. Pop in the rear hatch. Stays up like it should. So you got nice carpet on the inside. This is the bikini top that I was talking about. It's gonna rest on the roll bar attached to the front header of the top of the windshield there and strap down towards the back, give you shade when you got the top off. You also got these can speakers back here, providing the jams for the people in the back. Back seat does come out if you want to, where you get more storage for your gear, or you can seat your additional passengers. That's a steel truck right there, not a bit of plastic on it. That's what I like to see, classic cars. I'm gonna hop in, let's fire it up. That's what I like to hear. I say it fires on first key. It's exactly what this truck does. We got power steering here, real easy to turn. When you're parking the truck, when you're going slow, you got that nice assisted power steering. Lights working like they should. Wipers working. Let's pop the hood, check out what's under it. Our power plant's the 345 V8 motor. You got power brakes right here, dual reservoir master cylinder. You also got power steering, which we love to have. See, she idling just great. No smoking, no knocking, no nothing, no misfires. Just a great running motor. That's what we like to see. So like I said in the previous part of the video, we got 345 V8 motor. We got power steering, able to turn this wheel real easily. Got Bluetooth on right now in the stereo. There's 6-inch dual speakers right there. 2 cannons in the back. Real easy to drive. Fired right up first key. That's what I love. Just love to hear that. Especially when the motor's cold, you know that electric choke's working great. Tracks real nice in a straight line. Just got one finger on the wheel. I can hear this transmission shifting into second gear, up into third. Shocks feel great. I don't hear any squeaking or rattling going on. The truck is nice and quiet ride. Speedometer is working like it should. I'm gonna hit the brakes right now, see how they work. Also gonna check if they stop in a straight line. So hands off, wheels stopping in a straight line, that's exactly what we wanna see. Handling great off-road. We're going over some serious routes on this trail here. Scout's taking them like a champ. Back to the asphalt. Let's head back to the shop. So guys, hope you enjoyed the walk around video of our 75 Scout. Just want you as the buyer to know everything about the truck that we know, be fully transparent. I know this is a super cool truck. It's ready to rock and roll. Hoping to see it in your garage soon. Please let me know how I can earn your business. At Drive the Coast, we offer nationwide shipping as well as financing with 10% down. You can go out to 180 months, put your payment for this truck around $300, $320 a month. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know how I can earn your business.